Sir, good
Yes.
morning. Could you could you give me some views about the deafness that we are curing here in the people doing the treatment? What do you say about us?
See, first of all, I'll brief myself and in the institute what I'm sitting. I came here before 3 years. I came here to guide you and take some advertisement from your organization. But slowly, when I started knowing about your treatment, when I started knowing about your farm, I started knowing about your clinic, I got interested in what you are doing, how you are doing, and when you are doing. So slowly I started coming here regularly, and what I've seen personally, what I've seen with my eyes, I would share that thing with you. That I've seen so many patients who are cured by deafness, who were deaf. I've seen small children. I've seen. Okay, I have seen older people coming over here. I have seen foreigners coming over here, and very satisfactorily they have got treatment, and most of them are cured perfectly.
Actually, the deafness is the biggest problem in the world. Up to today, a lot of people we cured. Somebody in your knowledge has complained you that the treatment was not success or not happy with the treatment or the treatment is not done properly.
Yeah, see, nobody has come straight forward to me as a complaint, but see, we are fighting against nature, and fighting against nature is slightly difficult. What we can do, if a carpenter can fix a table, that is not a natural thing, but you are fighting against the nature. You are doing something what God has stopped or what nature has stopped. So of course there could be some dissatisfaction, but what I have personally seen when I come here, now most of the cases are positive, most of the patients are getting cured, and a slight percent, a half fraction of a percent, maybe they might take some more time to get all right, but personally I feel that your treatment is successful 100%.
My all that rivals, my all colleague doctors, or all the people, those who don't know actually the deafness and how does it cure, and the people who are doing surgeons, they are allopath, they are Ayurved, they might be feeling themselves as a rival. But what you say, when they call you back over that the treatment is not done properly, what they are doing, the treatment is done or not, how did you reciprocate it?
I took it very positively when I got so many calls from local doctors, from local specialists in Ahmedabad. And of course I cannot challenge them directly, but I used to tell them that whatever I have seen is a microfine treatment. Of course the homeopathy based is available with them.
Yeah, alternate remedies.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Alternate remedies or homeopathy base is
Yep,
available.
yep.
But I did not see anything wrong or any cheating in the process which is happening at Dr. Surana's clinic.
Thank you. I'm so kind of you, sir. Actually, you were in the big post there. The complaint were there. I know. All the rivals are alert. People are alert. What we are doing is good or not, is correct or not. I am giving the good exam. This is the exam that I am giving to here. I'm passed. I feel my people, they are curing, they are happy. And you supported me. That's the best, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much and so kind of you. Deafness is curable.
Yeah. One more thing I just want to tell all viewers that this treatment might take some time. It would be different case to case.
Yeah, sometimes it takes long process and sometimes very short.
There are chances of dissatisfaction coming to our patients. But if anybody will wait and take proper treatment,
Yeah.
I personally feel that this treatment is 100% result oriented, and people should go and try it once in lifetime if they have any deafness problem.
Yeah, I am lucky enough. I have a lot of good friends like you. My staff is good. My doctors are very good. I'm so kind of the God. The God is helping a lot actually. My family, my wife is dedicated to my subject. She has given me all the house to work with the people. I am really grateful to my medicines, my work, and all the time I am happy with you people that supporting me.
Thank you.
Actually, it is a very tough subject, sir. Really, I tell you, it is very tough subject because the deafness is a very impossible. I can say impossible work. It was impossible work, but we made it as possible to listen people.
Yeah.
At the first stage,
you have
1 hour.
said,
First 1 hour we want to give our challenge and motto. Our motto is to cure the people, start listening. Actually, we have decided to take payment only when the people start listening. Otherwise, we never charge the
Yeah,
people.
that is a very positive thing of your treatment. What I have seen, what I have heard is that if there are any chance that the patient starts listening, then only you are charging your fees. And that is very challengeable in the world, and it is one of the great thing what as a doctor or as a treatment person you are doing. And there is a great gesture, because nowadays nobody would do like this. So what you are doing is that whenever you feel that your patient has started listening, there is a
Without machine, without surgery,
Yeah. So
without
that if there
operation,
are-
no
if there are-
steroid, no painkiller.
so if there are slightest
Just
chances-
very simple. My patent medicine is used for the ear treatment, and that's what 1 hour we get the result. Thank you very much, William sir. God bless you, Mr. Lawrence. You are very good to me. This is the only reason I am grateful to you. Thank you very much again. God bless you, sir.